Hi, it's Scott at Swiss Marine Watches, and we're going to use this vintage Omega to show you a fast and easy way to install a spring bar strap onto your watch. Hold the watch case in your left hand while inserting the lower spring bar tip into the lower lug hole. Now pinch the watch case and the strap between your thumb and fingers and lay the top of the spring bar against the top lug. Use your spring bar tool to gently press down on the notch on the top spring bar. And with a little practice, the strap will just pop right into place. So the key here is to hold things the same way every time you do it. Okay, one more time. Insert, pinch, pull down, and there you go. Really hope this helps you guys. More videos coming soon. Thanks for watching.